This is reportedly happening this morning at the Delhi Chief Minister's residence. But this is what the suspected attacker's mother has to say as to what could be possibly his son's motive.
કૂતરાનું છે અને કૂતરા ગાયનું એવું બધું ચકલા નું ઈ જ કામ કરે ગાયની ધોઈને પાણી પાય લીંબુ નાખે રોટલા પડ્યા હોય ને આમ શેરીના બધાને રોટલા લઈ જાય બરાબર હા ઈ જ કામ એટલે.
Well, the mother apparently saying that her son is a animal lover, and apparently, Priyank, what is being said that this individual was not very happy with his what has been happening over the recent dog issue that has been taking place in Delhi. Meanwhile, it seems that he seems to be registering his protest, his complaint in a way that would have gone a step too far when it comes to attacking and assaulting the Chief Minister.
Yes, Sati Amita, there are two theories on which the police officials are working. First, the claim which came out from the accused side, who claimed that one of the relative was behind bars. That's why he wanted to meet the Delhi Chief Minister. The second version has come out from his mother's side, where she claimed that the accused, Rajesh, was an animal lover, and because of which he could have committed this crime. But the big input which we are getting is that the sources, the top sources have been suggesting the accused was doing the recce to meet the Delhi Chief Minister or to spot her since the last 24 hours, and after finally getting this opportunity, because these are the boards which are pasted here. Harish would like to show this particular board, this paper sheet. It is clearly mentioning that the CM Jan Sunwai was on 20th, which is on Wednesday, and after coming here, he spotted this particular slip, which was posted on the walls, on the outside walls of the Delhi Chief Minister's residence, and then he finally decided that on Wednesday he will be coming here so that he can carry out this particular plot. The security measures are certainly once again increased at this location. Several MPs, MLAs, the members in the Delhi cabinet, everyone has come here to meet the Delhi Chief Minister. We just spoke to Manjinder Singh Sirsa, who is saying that the exact motive is yet to be clear because the Delhi police is investigating the case. But it is a known fact that the suspect came here. I'm joined by Gaurav Srivastava also. Gaurav, the Delhi BJP is saying that the CM schedule will not be cancelled. CM अपने प्रोग्राम को कंटिन्यू करेंगे. क्या जानकारी मिली अंदर से?
बिल्कुल, देखिए जानकारी मिल रही है. दिल्ली के स्वास्थ्य मंत्री पंकज सिंह आए थे और उन्होंने जानकारी दी है कि थोड़ी देर में उनका इसी आवास पर जो है वो मेडिकल MLC कराई जाएगी, यानी कि मेडिकल जांच होगी, और उसके आधार पर जो है मेडिकल रिपोर्ट के आधार पर पता लगेगा कि इस हमले से उन्हें क्या नुकसान पहुंचा है. लेकिन हर महीने की जो पहला और तीसरा जो बुधवार होता है वो जन सुनवाई का दिन होता है. CM बात करती हैं और यही वो रास्ता होता है जिससे जाती हैं. लेकिन जिस तरह की सिक्योरिटी लैप्स जाए.
Yes, back to the studio.
All right, developments that have been taking place